How to transfer money from PayPal to Remitly. Transferring money directly from PayPal to Remitly isn't a supported feature, as both are separate payment platforms with different processes for sending and receiving funds. However, you can follow these steps to indirectly transfer funds from PayPal to Remitly. 1. Withdraw from PayPal to bank account. Log into your PayPal account. Go to Wallet and select Transfer Money. Choose the option to transfer to your bank. Follow the instructions to withdraw funds to your linked bank account. 2. Send money via Remitly. After the funds are deposited in your bank account, log into your Remitly account. Choose the destination country and amount you want to send. Select your bank account as the payment method. Then complete the transaction as per Remitly's process. This way, you're transferring the money from PayPal to your bank, and then using your bank account to send money via Remitly. Thanks for watching.